Hey guys, Z here and Jennifer, and we're talking today about what you can do in order to get those discounted interest rates, right? Remember, we've been talking about how a lot of people are on higher rates. So what do you do when you're stuck on a higher rate? So you can do one of four things. The first is repricing. So what does that mean? So you go to your bank or your broker and say, okay, I'm with ABC Bank, and ABC Bank can do a better deal for me. You know, either you go to the bank, ABC Bank directly, or the broker goes to ABC Bank and they say, hey, what can you do in terms of interest rates? And they may go from 6.5% to 6%, for instance. So that's called a repricing. A refinance is when you move to a different bank. So you go from ABC Bank to DEF Bank, for instance, okay? And what that means is that you need to refinance your loan. You're taking out a loan with a different bank. So there may be fees in doing that, but sometimes the interest rate is so big that it makes sense to do that. There are also some cashback rebates available. Sometimes, DEF Bank will pay you a rebate to move across to them, and that'll cover your costs in most instances. So the other thing is change your repayments. So if your repayments are too high, the types of repayments that you have are, interest only versus principal and interest. So if you're paying principal and interest, you're paying down the loan. But a lot of the times for investment loans, it makes sense to pay interest only. So the interest only repayments will be a lot lower than the principal and interest. And finally, what you can do is debt consolidation. And what that means is that if you have other debts like personal loans or car loans or student loans, you can roll them up into the equity of your home loan. Now, talk to your mortgage broker or your bank, and they'll be able to help you with this. And I hope that really helps you. And we'll talk next about what happens once you've gotten these interest rate discounts. See you then.